and welcome to today's video. Today I am bringing you a haul. As you guys know, we are moving. We just bought a house and I have purchased quite a few things. Some things I might not have intention to buy, but that's okay. I mean, that's okay. I wanted to share you a home decor haul. I have purchased a bunch of things over time. It's been about 3 months now since we've been house shopping and looking for houses, so there was some new things I already knew that I wanted to get, like new shower liners and like new everything. I don't know, but I did want to share with you guys what I have picked up for our next house. If you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do. It is free. Join the family. It is just going to be amazing here on my YouTube channel. I'm excited. I just love getting content out there for you guys and just love making videos. If you guys want to see my future videos, make sure you guys hit that notification bell and it will inform you every time I upload. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'll start with is just this candle. This is from Target. This is this is the chestnut, oh my god. This is the chestnut macchiato and it smells so good, you guys. Literally smells like coffee, but like someone's grandma is like out there baking cookies and their house smells so yummy. Ugh, it just smells so good. I can't even describe it. This candle just smells super, super good. Next thing I have here is from Walmart, and this is the Pioneer Woman bowls. And I'm really excited to use these because we needed some new bowls. But this is the packaging that it came in, just so you guys can see it, but I'll take it out of the box so you guys can see them a little bit better. This is what they look like. Super, super pretty, and it comes with a few of them. And then they have lids for each one of them too, which is really nice. So if you wanted to take them places, like if you made a dish, so you guys can see, you open it up and there is another one. They're just so pretty. Love these so much. So this is what the other one looks like. So there's kind of like a large bowl, a medium-sized bowl, and then a smaller one. And I just really, really like the patterns on them a lot. They're just so nice. The next couple of items I have are from Target as well. And the first thing I'll start with is this guy here. So this is just kind of like a shelf liner or like a drawer liner. I really like these because I don't trust people, like if they've cleaned out their cabinets or whatever. So I'm probably going to clean them out and then lay down a liner. I don't know if I want to get more and put it in like our fridge also when we move, or if I just want to have this where like our silverware and stuff are, just to make sure like everything is clean and like, I don't know, I'm weird about that stuff. So this was pretty affordable though. I believe this was only like $5 for this roll, and it has quite a bit in it. So I might pick up one more though for our fridge. We will see. These are from Target as well, but these are really affordable. I think these are only like $3.99 or I don't know. They were like extremely cheap, and I was like, that's really cute for that price. So I bought a couple of them. So I thought it'd be cute to kind of hang them like this. So I have one kind of lower and one up higher, but they're just like these really cute little decor pieces, and they have like a mirror in the middle here, and I just thought that would look super cute in my beauty room with this like boho theme and like the gold accents everywhere and stuff. So I really, really like those. Those are something I like a lot. Item from Target, this is a lamp. It is just a little black lamp that I'm gonna have on my computer desk. I just thought it was super cute, and it just goes with the rest of the decor that I have picked up because I have a black and white rug I will show you future in the videos, so make sure you guys keep watching. But I really like this lamp. Again, this was super affordable. I think this is only like $9.99, or actually no, it was only $5.99, so that's even cheaper. And then you just have this little knob here that turns it on and off, but I super I really, really like this. It's just really cute and clean. And I don't know, I just like that a lot. This is just a kitchen spoon. It's silicone and it says hand wash only, so I wouldn't put this in the dishwasher or anything, but I love the look of this. It's just like that rustic, kind of like that farmhouse vibe, and I just love it so much. And I believe this was like $5.99 or like $6.99 or something like that. But I needed a new kitchen like spoon, something to like scoop with, so I thought this would be really nice. I do like this a lot. I think I have another I think I have more kitchenware in the haul from other places too, so I have more kitchen stuff. Like a lot of this is from Target, but that's okay. This next bag I have here is full of Target stuff, and this is my favorite thing I think I picked up out of everything that I've bought. This is for our living room when we move. I just wanted to change up the theme of our living room, so I wanted to go off of this pillow for the color scheme. So I'm so excited because it's like this boho, like beachy, like farmhouse all in one. I don't know, it's just super, super cute. The texture on it is super nice. I think I might even get some more pillows, but bigger, and I wanted to get like this color also for the bigger ones to go on the ends of the couch, and then like have this in the middle. I don't know, I super, super love this pillow. It's so cute. It was really expensive though. It was like $35 for a pillow. From Target that I picked up was this sign for our house when you first kind of come into the entryway, when you first walk in the door, and it kind of hits our living room. I wanted to have this sign and maybe like a coat rack underneath or something. It's from Magnolia, you know, with Chip and what's her face? I don't remember her name. Oh my gosh. Know her name? Comment her down below because I don't know. But this is a sign that they have, and it says welcome home, and I love this. It's so farmhouse, so rustic, and I think it would really go well with the pillow that I picked up with the black detail in there. So I'm going to have it kind of like a black and white theme with that accent color of that like corally color. So I'm just really, really excited. I don't know how many times I can say that, but I really like this a lot. I like everything, obviously, because I bought it, but I just really, really like this to go with the pillow. I think it matches really well. There was another item similar to that one that I picked up, but it's for our bathroom. And it's the same style. It's a black and white. This one for our bathroom says wash your hands. Same thing from Magnolia. So it looks like this. And this one was $14.99, and I believe the bigger one was also $14.99. Or no, this one was $19.99. So this one was about 20 bucks, and then this one was about 15. So they're definitely not cheap, but they're also still affordable. So it's whatever. This was from the Target's clearance section. I don't know why it was on clearance. It was only 3 bucks, but as you guys can see here. But this is just like a little soap container. It looks like this. I was just a really big fan of the color. I love this color to go with this style. I don't know, I thought they would look really, really good together. I'm gonna have to find some type of shower curtain or something to kind of tie the colors together or something. I'm not sure, but I need to think of a theme for the bathroom, so. But another thing I picked up for the bathroom is this shower liner. This one was from Target, and I believe it was, I think it was like $9.99. But it's kind of like a white color, off-white color, so it's not see-through or anything. It is a product that is treated to resist mildew and rust resistant, so I really like that it has that option, because I hate it when they get like really nasty and like, or they smell bad or something. I don't know, I always get like a new one of these every so often because they kind of get gross. Little guy I think was from Target. This was in their clearance section. So it's just like this white plastic little organizer, and it was only $3. But this I thought would be nice to have Anyway, my dog sees a squirrel and he's trying to break the window to get outside. Anyway, this little white plastic thing I had picked up, I thought would be nice to have in our junk drawer, like in our kitchen, to organize if you need to like throw in batteries or like pencils or nails, I don't know, just a bunch of random stuff that I would like to organize in here so it doesn't get all thrown all over the place like it is now. I don't know how to describe it, but I just thought it was really, really cool. It's just like this little basket that I found. And what I'm going to do with this is just put it on top of like a little nightstand or like this little stand I have in my beauty room. So when I get home I could easily like throw my keys on here, or if I want to take my earrings off and throw them in here or something, or set my phone down when I first come in or something. This would be really cute to have on top of there. Or I thought to use this for my salt lamp, which is right behind me here, and set it on top and then kind of like put rocks or whatever and then on this outside of it or something. I don't know, just thought it would look really, really cool. This is another shower liner. This one was from, I believe this one's actually from Walmart. It's in that same like white frosty color. The bag is from Walmart. This is also a Pioneer item. This is a salt and pepper shaker, which I thought was so adorable, you guys. They're just so cute. This is also Pioneer Woman. This is just a little magnet and it says clean on top and dirty on the bottom. Actually put on your, what's it called? Oh my gosh. The front of your dishwasher. Or the other kitchen silverware, spoons, spatulas, whatever you want to call it. This is in like a marble color. So I had picked up both of these. These are just white with like a marble color to them. I don't remember how much these are. I think they were only a couple bucks a piece, like $4 or $5, and they look really, really cute. We're back here, and this is from Tj Maxx. I'm sorry guys, I bought so much stuff, but this isn't all at one time. Please keep that in mind. This is from over like 3 months, and I just kind of started packing things away, storing it away, and just waiting to put it in our new house. So just a little sign, and it just says family on it, which is so, so cute. This was actually only $5.99, so it's pretty affordable as well. You guys know me, you guys know I love fake plants. Like, fake plants are my freaking favorite, and they're literally everywhere in my house. My bathroom, my kitchen, my living room, like everywhere. One is a little hanging plant that I found at TJ Maxx, and it is so adorable, you guys. Look at it. I love it so much, and this was only $6.99 for this, and I'll probably hang this in my living room or something. I don't know where I want it, but I know that I want it. Next item here is just a Ray Dunn piece, and this was, I think this was on clearance. I think it was only like $3.99 or something at TJ Maxx, but it just says rest on it. This I would love to have in our living room, and I have a piece that I'm going to show you where I'm going to put some of these things on it, and I thought it looked really good on there. This was actually from Target. This is separate from the pot itself. This like white little pot is from Target in like the craft section. So like if you wanted to like redo it or paint it, they have it in like that little craft section, so they're really cheap. It was only a couple bucks. And then this fake plant was actually from Target, but it's the Magnolia collection, and this was a little bit more expensive. Okay, so this piece here is what I mentioned, that I was going to put some of those fake plants in that like Ray Dunn rest thing on here. This is for our living room, and I am obsessed. This I think was like $40, so it was kind of expensive, but it was from TJ Maxx. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but this is what it looks like. It is gigantic. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It is this giant like circle thing, and it has these holes on the back so you can screw it into the wall, so it will just sit like a giant shelf. And I'll probably have like a fake plant or like that Ray Dunn piece and just like some other random home decor on here, and I just thought it would look so good. Another thing we had picked up were these bar stools. I actually found this on our Facebook swap, so I'm not sure if you guys know what that is, but it's just like where a marketplace where people can sell their things So I picked these up for about $135. I just thought these were so stinking cute. I absolutely love these. They're just these rustic, like farmhouse bar stools, and I'm just obsessed with them. We only got 3 because that's about, I think, what would fit in our kitchen. So I love these so much. Say hi. Hi. Well, the last thing I have to show you guys is this rug I'd picked up from my beauty room for my like boho theme. This rug is so beautiful, you guys. I think it was like 70 something, almost $80. I don't remember the size or dimensions, but I'll try to link everything I can down below for you guys to see it, but I'll go ahead and show it to you guys right now. So this is what it looks like. It is black and white and kind of like a tribal print. And then in the center here, around this little square design, it has like these fuzzy white parts that kind of raise up, and then like these little, oop, oh, fell over. But this is what it looks like, and it is so pretty. Alright guys, so that is everything that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!